In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate messages in Slack 2026 step-by-step beginner tutorial. Automated messages are a simple way to give people instant answers when they type common phrases in your workspace. They're perfect for repetitive questions like how to request time off, where to find onboarding docs, or who to contact for IT help. I'll walk you through the built-in Slack tool, and along the way, I'll share clear tips to make your messages both helpful and unobtrusive. You'll need the right permissions to access these settings. If you don't see the options I mention, check with a workspace admin. Start by opening Slack and heading to your home view. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before you begin, so the automation is created in the right place. Next, open the admin area. Depending on your layout and role, you might see an admin button in the sidebar or within your workspace menu. This is where workspace-wide settings and customizations live. From there, hover over Edit Workspace. This reveals customization options that affect how your workspace behaves. We're interested in the feature designed specifically for automatic responses. Click Automated Messages. You'll land on the page where all existing automations are listed and where you can create new ones. This view helps keep your rules organized in one place so you can update or remove them later as policies change. Choose Add Message to create a new rule. Think of this as pairing a trigger phrase with the response you want Slack to send. Enter the keyword or phrase that should activate the reply. Aim for something specific enough to avoid accidental triggers, but natural enough that people will actually type it. For example, expense policy is more targeted than just expense. Use the terms your teammates already use, and avoid very common single words that could fire too often. Now write the automated message that people will see. Keep it clear and concise, but include what someone needs to move forward: a short explanation, a link to a trusted document, or the best channel to ask follow-up questions. Use a friendly tone, add line breaks for readability, and consider a quick note about where to find more help. Avoid overusing mentions so you don't create unnecessary noise. When you're happy with the wording, click Save. Your rule is now active and ready to help. You can return to this same page anytime to refine the keyword, update the text, or remove the automation if it's no longer needed. That's it. You've set up a reliable, consistent way to answer common questions in Slack, saving everyone time while keeping information accurate and easy to find.